everyone, my name is Caitlin. I am the general manager here at Crunch on White Station here in Memphis, Tennessee, 827 S White Station Road. I'm going to give you a tour of our $5 million, 50,000 square foot facility. So if you'll follow me to my relax and recovery, right here to my left are my hydro massage beds. We have 4 hydro massage beds. They are a 10 pressure, a 4 speed, and they're the best thing after a workout, never before. All right, everyone, now we're gonna go to our tanning beds. We have 5 lay down KVL salon grade beds. We have 2 stand-up beds I'm gonna show you. They are level 3 and 4. They are 11 minutes and 12 minutes long. Let's go see my stand-up bed. Over here is my stand-up KVL bed. Again, they're all salon grade. That comes with our Peak and Peak Results membership. And then let's go on towards our Fit 360 scan right inside here. You get that with your Crunch 1 kickoff, which is a free 1-hour session with a trainer, as well as that Fit 3D scan. It's only $10 whenever you join. To my left over here is my group fitness room. This is where all the magic happens. So inside here, group fitness is all inside here, all the classes. This is Monique, my group fitness director. So inside here, you get that with our $24.99, which is our Peak membership. This is the best place. It's hype, it's live. There are classes that are 30 minutes. They are the best class you'll ever see. You can pre-register on a kiosk I'm gonna show you right inside here. So this is a kiosk. You will scan your barcode. We have our classes here, and you can come take a class at any time. Now let's get to the nitty gritty. Over here is my functional training area. You can go here, squat, dumbbells, kettlebells, all here. We have 39 pieces of cardio equipment, treadmills, Stairmasters, ellipticals, air strides, everything you can think of. We also have our self-charging lockers. You create your own code here. We have large, we have small, we have all of them. If you ever forget it, I have the ability for a key. We have our men and women's locker rooms, saunas, lockers, restrooms, change rooms, everything you need to be able to get ready for that intense workout. And now we are going to my ride studio. My ride studio are high intensity party filling ride classes. That is inside here. Let's take a step in. This is our ride studio. They are Schwinn top of the line bikes. They have gears, cranks, everything. My instructor is up front. Party lights, loud music, fans, you're ready to rock and roll. You can pre-register on the app, come up and check in through the kiosk, which is right there. Now we're going to the big stuff. We are going now to all of our machines, our free weights and everything. Here to my right is abdominal. We have our cables. We have a million different types of cables over here. We're gonna go to what's called my HIIT zone. This is my high intensity interval training zone. Their classes, they're included with that $29.99 Peak Results membership. You can do tire flips, you can do sled pushes. We have punching bags, we have TRX, we have dumbbells. We have everything you can think of and more, and these are all with an instructor, so you get that energy, you get that accountability. So come on, hop in. Now we're gonna go to the favorite place of mine to relieve that extra stress. The gym doesn't do it to work out. We have a boxing area. In the back, the glory of it all. You're gonna box, you're gonna kick. This is the best place to relieve that stress. I like to do it because sometimes we have those days to relieve that stress. Over here we have Smith machines. Again, we have our cables. We have top of the line hip thrusts. We have our leg presses. We have 8 Olympic platforms. We have leg presses, hack squat. We have all of our belt squats, pre-weighted barbells. This is where all of our free weight equipment is. We have machines to the back, which is our Matrix cardio equipment as well. We have everything you think of and more. And now we're gonna go to my favorite part. This is our free weight area. So you need that extra stability, that more consistency. We have from 5 pounds all the way up to 120. The best thing to get that pump and ready to roll. So if you need anything, we have 5 to 120, we have multiple sets. But then we have our functional training area. So if for some reason all of my 8 Olympic platforms are full, we have 2 other areas here to squat, 2 other areas to squat there. We have slam balls, wall balls, we have dumbbells, We have resistant bands, foam rollers. We have extra punching bags. We have everything to get those goals started. You have every reason to come. You have every reason to join, every reason to be a part of Crunch Fitness. All right, you guys, and now we're gonna go over here to my thirst aid kit. He's actually gonna grab one of his drinks right now, one of his favorites out of the cooler. This is my all-time favorite. It tastes just like a chocolate milk to me. So right here we have the MRE. It's like my favorite after a workout to build those gains and everything. And now we're gonna step into what's called my Kids Crunch. This is a place for the moms and dads to drop their children off and just have a relaxation. Let's go on in. All right, so this is our Kids Crunch area. 6 months to 12 years old are allowed in here. We have a movie theater. We have tablets. We have Xboxes. We have everything to think of and more. So inside here, they are allowed 3 children at a time for 2 hours. And you can come here and drop your kiddos off and enjoy that great workout that you definitely deserve. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for coming to Crunch White Station here in Memphis, located at 827S White Station Road. And I appreciate you guys. Come join this $5 million facility and 50,000 square foot. I'll see you guys soon.